Okay guys, so welcome back once again to my channel. This Crypto and Memes on Chain, your number one spot channel for informative and educative videos about cryptocurrency and the Web3 space. Today, as I promised, I'm bringing you the part 2 of how to create CEXs account, centralized exchange account, and fund it. Okay, so today in this video, which is the part 2, we are going to learn how to fund our accounts from our Momo wallet, being it Vodafone Cash or MTN mobile money. Okay, so as you have your account verified, everything you've signed up, you verified your account with your national ID, and your account is showing verified like this, verified ID, like how mine is showing. Hop back here and press on the deposit. When you press on deposit, because your money is in your Momo wallet, you press on the P2P trading. Here is where we are going to buy the crypto from our Momo wallet. So press on P2P trading, 0 fees, because they are not going to take any fees from this trading. Okay, everything is absolutely free. Okay, so as you can see, Ghana cedis has dropped a little bit, and as of last week it was sitting around 15.8 cedis per dollar. So Ghana cedis is rising a little bit. Okay, everything is showing on fine. So when you get here, all you need to do is, one, you have to find the kind of cryptocurrency you want to buy. But for me, I would prefer, if it's your first time, to buy USDT because USDT is a stable coin. It doesn't rise, it doesn't fall. So after that, then you decide to use the USDT to buy any other cryptocurrency you want. Okay, so you have to select USDT from here, and the amount, select the amount you have. Let's say you have you want to start with 50 cedis, a minimum, like you have just 50 cedis you want to start trading crypto with. So just enter your 50 cedis, press on the confirm, and let's say your money is in your Momo wallet or your Vodafone Cash. Just come to here, all payment methods, press on the all payment method and choose specifically where your money is. Either it's in your Fidelity bank account, your Vodafone Cash, your MTN mobile money, your Kuda account, interbank account, any of these options you have here, just press on it. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to press on the MTN mobile money. So press on confirm, and as you can see, we have people who are selling crypto from 50 cedis and below, from 10 cedis to 50 cedis. So you can choose from any of these, and as you can see, some of the vendors has marked me ineligible because I have to meet some requirements for them to trust me that I can trade with them. Okay, so just move to where it's showing buy, that you can buy. Okay, so just, let's say we want to buy from this vendor, Valentine Congo. Okay, so just press on buy like this. Price has changed, just press on confirm. Okay, so you just press on buy like this again. This showing 14 cedis, 94 pesos, almost 15 cedis, and enter the amount of money you have here. Let's say you have 50 cedis, just enter 50 cedis, and as you can see, if you have 50 cedis is going to give you 3.3 USDT. So $3.3 is what you are going to get if you buy 50 cedis worth of USDT. So just, if you are ready to buy, press on the buy like this, and the order will be created just like this. And as you can see, I have a notification from Bybit in my Gmail account, P2P order placed, what. Okay, so if you are ready and you have the money, you just press on pay now. And if you press on pay now, all the details that you are going to send the money through to the vendor to release the crypto to you will be provided. So let's say you want to pay, you press on pay now like this, and as you can see, the details is here. The details say Momo, log into your Momo account and transfer this to the seller. So order number and everything is here. So let's get to their chat and see. So as you can see, it said drop your Momo number and allow cash out. But I'm not going to buy anything for the purpose of this video. I'm just showing you anything you need to know. So if you come here and you can't find any details here, just press on the message sign here. See, here is the detail. So you just drop your Momo number and you allow cash out. So like the money will be transferred to the vendor and the vendor will release the money. So after you have transferred the money to the vendor, you come and press on payment completed. And when you press on payment completed, all you have to do is to wait for the vendor to release the money to you. Okay, the USDT to you, sorry. That's all you need to do. Okay, so let's go back and let me go back. Okay guys, so as you can see, I just funded my wallet with 13.39 USDT for the first time. So if you follow the process I showed you, this how you are going to see your assets, so your total assets in USDT. So as you can see, my assets, and I have transferred 2.8 USDT to my unified trading account, because if you buy it for the first time, it will all be in your funding account. So before you can start trading, you have to transfer the money from your funding account to your unified trading account before you can buy any assets on the exchange. But if you want to withdraw it, or if you want to send it to another exchange or another wallet, you have to keep it in your funding account so you can withdraw it, because any crypto in a unified trading account cannot be withdrawn. It's only used for trading. Okay.